My TRX4 Sport has mainly been relegated to trail duty because of the expedition rack body, and there are a few other things that I want to change about it, like Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to look at adding another upgrade to the TRX4 Sport. I'll be trying to increase the front weight bias as well as lower the center of gravity with these SSD Brass portal weights. And I'll put a link to these in the description below. Now my TRX4 Sport is still running the stock TRX4 Sport body with the Expedition rack that comes with this Sport Kit. Sport Kit Expedition rack is quite top heavy in the rear. My TRX4 Sport has mainly been relegated to trail duty because of the Expedition rack body, and there are a few other things that I want to change about it, like raising the sliders and the bumpers. But one of the things that I can do first is to add more weight to the front. So let's get started and open this up. Here you can see what's included in the package, as well as the part number. SSD Brass always looks great, and this is no different. Perfect fit. And that's all there is to it to install the brass portal covers. So we've got one side finished, and we'll move on to the other side. Before I continue on, I forgot to mention that these brass portal covers add 75 grams each, so it's a total of 150 grams being added to the front portal axle. And that's it for the brass portal covers from SSD on the TRX4 Sport. Hopefully this gets me a little bit more performance. You'll slowly see this rig transition from trailing to performance. I still have a few more things to add to this truck, which is mostly trail oriented, but I'll run it like that for a while, and sooner or later I think this will start transitioning into a performance rig instead. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the next series in my TRX4 upgrade.